Hello and welcome back to the show that tries to inspire you, yes you, to get up off this couch and into the kitchen. Today's episode, inspired, speaking of inspiration, inspired by Anthony, who made a request via Instagram for me to make arroz con leche. By the way guys, I do take recipe requests. You can drop a comment in any one of my videos. You can go to my website, cookdon'tbelazy.com. I've got a form that you can fill out, send me a recipe or send me a recipe request. You can jump on Instagram, leave a comment on any one of my pictures there. Let me know what you want me to make, and I'll try my best to turn it into a video for you. Hit that subscribe button. I put out a video each and every single week, and today's video, arroz con leche. So let's get started here on Cook! Don't be lazy. So this appears like it's going to be a very simple recipe. Very minimal ingredients. We've got some ground cinnamon, some rice, evaporated milk, condensed milk, cinnamon sticks, and a whole lot of water. First thing we want to do is get a pot on the stove. So for starters, get yourself a good size pot. None of that little stuff. Let's turn on our stove and set it to medium high to about a number 7. And the reason we don't want a small pot is because of the amount of water we're going to put in it. This is a 2-quart jug, and I'm using a little less than 2 quarts. There's 4 cups in a quart, a little less than 2 quarts. That makes it roughly 7 cups of water. We need 1 cup of rice. And we need to throw in, I'm going to use 2 cinnamon sticks. Now going back to the rice, I'm using a long grain enriched rice. So how long are we going to cook this for? 18 minutes, starting right now. Right now. We're going to bring it to a soft boil. 18 minutes. As of right now, we're going to put it to a stop. So what am I going to do for the next 18 minutes? You know I like my milk, so I'm going to drink some milk. How fitting. Arroz con leche? Leche. 18 minutes is up. Let's strain this guy. How you strain it is 100% up to you. I just realized that I don't have the proper strainer. So I'm going to do my best to use this lid and try not to lose any rice. But we got to get all the liquid out. Just the liquid. Once you get all the liquid out, let's put it back on the stove. So keep in mind our stove is still on. What we need to add is 1 cup of whole milk. A can of condensed milk. This is a 14-ounce can. And then we need some evaporated milk. Technically, you need the 12-ounce can. I couldn't find any 12-ounce can. So I got 2 5-ounce cans, which means I'm short 2 ounces. But it's alright. It says shake well. So make sure you shake it, shake it, shake it. So for the sake of the video, either 1 12-ounce can or 2 5-ounce cans. Close enough. Evaporated milk. Shake it. Now for those who don't know, new to the kitchen, you pierce 2 holes with this guy here. The reason you pierce 2 holes, so that when this is pouring out, it doesn't go bloop, 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 because air's being allowed to come in here. Just in case you're new to the cooking world and you didn't know that. We're going to give this a stir. We're going to let it come to a slight boil. And once it comes to a boil, we're going to drop it to low. But we're going to keep stirring this. Now you don't have to stir non-stop, but make sure you're stirring quite frequently for about 20 minutes. And then after 20 minutes is done, you guys know what time it is. Time to plate up. So the only thing I've done is sprinkled a little ground cinnamon across the top, and voila, there you have arroz con leche. So thank you, Anthony, for suggesting it. If you made a suggestion recently, stay tuned because your recipe just might be around the corner here on Cook. Don't be lazy.